Most of the HVAC now is electrical. It's really turned into a very technical field.
So it's strongly suggested that technicians seek out training that's been recognized by the Department of Energy to learn about heat pumps, learn about new technologies.
What makes a cold climate heat pump rated for cold climates? Interact with that control system, how to take measurements and how to understand the data, because it is significantly different from traditional air source heat.
A lot of equipment we plug a laptop into, or we have Bluetooth in through an app on our phone. So it's not your traditional mom and dad system.
As a contractor, to get additional training for your technicians, reach out to your manufacturer of choice.
A lot of these supply houses conduct training during the day, in the evening. A lot of them bring in equipment manufacturers to talk about their equipment and answer the very questions that you and your team needs to have the answers to in order to effectively, efficiently, and confidently talk to your customers about heat pumps. And again, together you can determine if heat pumps are right for them.